4, 5. Total 5 questions are not. It is first one. Second one, number series. Again, how many questions is given? 5 are not. Okay. Next one, data sufficiency. From 146 to 150. Data sufficiency, how many questions is given? 5. 5 3s are 15 questions is completed in minimum 10 minutes, maximum 15 minutes of timer. Okay. Next one, (166 to 170) radar graph. Radar graph, how many questions? 5 questions are. Okay. Next one, case letter. Caselet question number 141 to 145. Again, how many questions? 5 questions are. 5 5s are 25 questions is completed in 25 minutes of timer. Almost we are consider each one 1 minute, 25 questions, 25 minutes timer. Okay. Or the next 151 to 155. Table plus pie chart or pie chart plus table. How many questions? 5 questions are not. Pie chart plus table. How many questions? 5. Next 171 to 175. And here line graph plus table. Line graph plus bar graph. How many questions? 5 questions are not. Okay. Total 7 5s are 35 questions completed in 35 minutes of time, maximum 40 minutes. Minimum 35 minutes, maximum 40 minutes. I think paper lo ee 40 marks saripotunda leda, 35 marks aithe enough kada. Next suppose next one, arithmetic questions. Next arithmetic questions, 5 plus 5, total 10 questions are. Okay. Time migilte last lo 10 questions chestam. Last priority, variable based, variable and fixed based table. 5 questions are. Okay. What is the first priority? Quadratic equations. Anyone need quadratic equations? 181. What is the first one product? 24. Sum is how much? 2. What is the roots we written? -6 plus 4. Second one product 40. Sum is 13. -5 -8. Negative 6 compared to -5 and -8. Less than. Plus 4 compared to, -6 compared to -5, less than. -6 compared to -8, greater. Opposite symbols means no relation. Next 182. What is the first one product? 32. Sum is 12. Then we written 8 and 4. Second one product 56. Then we written 7 and 8 by 200. Means each one 3.5 and 4. 8 compared to 3.5 comma 4, greater. 4 compared to 3.5 and 4, equal. Then answer x greater than or equal to y. 183. What is the first one product? 168. Sum is 26. One is 14, another one 12. Y minus 5 square equal to 9 means y minus 5 equal to plus r minus 300. Then y equal to, one case we are getting 8, another case minus 3 plus 500, means it is plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2. Actually one is plus 3 plus 5, another one minus 3 plus 500. What are the y values? 8 comma 2. Then answer x is less than y. Next 184. What is the first one product? 72. Means we written 8 and 9. 8 by 2 means 4. 9 by 2 means 4.5. Second one product 8. Sum is 6. Then we written 4 comma 2. 4 compared to 4 comma 2, greater and equal. 4.5 compared to 4 and 2, greater, only greater. And what is the answer? X greater than or equal to y. Next 187. 185. Free question or not? What is the answer? No relation. 186. What is the first one difference? 12. Next one 18. Next one 24. Next one 30. All are in 6 difference or not? Next one 36. 114 plus 36, 150. Next 187. What is the half of the 360? Next half, again half. What is the half of the 45? 22.5. Next question number 188. 10 becomes 17. 7. Next 9, 11, 13. Next 17. Sorry, prime numbers. Next, sorry, odd numbers. Next odd number 15. 50 plus 15, 65. 189. 32 becomes 93 means into 3 minus 300. Means obviously here into 2 minus 2 and here into 1 minus 100. 18 ones are 18 minus 1 means 17 into 2 means 34 minus 2 means 32. Then answer 17. Next 190. 13 and 15 difference 2. Next 4. Next 8. Next 16. Double 100. 32. 43 plus 32. 75. Next data sufficiency. Question number 146. What is the speed of the train peak? We required which one? Speed of the train peak. What is the first statement? The train peak crosses a train queue running in opposite direction in 12 seconds. The ratio of the length and speed of the train queue is 7:2. Here we required speed of the train peak. Means already speed of the train peak is unknown and length of the train peak also unknown. Okay. Again, train speed of the train queue and length of the train queue is which ratio? 7:2. Again, two unknowns are not. Then one alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. What is the second statement? Train P crosses a man standing on the platform in how many seconds? 18 seconds. Means distance equal to speed into time or not? Means speed of the train P into how many seconds? 18 seconds or not? And it is crosses a car coming in the opposite direction at the speed of 30 km/h. Means train speed into car speed or not? Opposite direction. Sum of the speeds into how many seconds? 12 seconds or not? When a train passes a car means total distance are only train length or not? Left hand side train length, right hand side also train length. Both are in equal or different? Equal. Simplify that one, we are get the speed of the train P or not? When a train passes a man standing on the platform means total distance only train length or not? When a train passes a car means total distance only train length or not? Both the cases equal to train length. Simplify that one, we are get the speed of the train P or not? Okay, then 2 alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Sufficient. Next question number 147. Find the total number of days taken by Venu to finish the work. First statement, Venu and Kumar and Srinu is given. There is no clarity about individual efficiency and total work or not. Only one alone, not sufficient. Second one, Venu and Srinu together can complete 60% of the work and Kumar and Srinu together can complete the 70% of the work. And here also combinations are given. Means only 2 alone also not sufficient. By using both the statements, yes sir. In first statement combinations, second one also combination. Combine the combinations, we are get the combination of 3 persons or 4 persons. Obviously we are get the individual efficiency here. By using both the statements we are get the answer. What the answer? Third one. Next question number 148. What will be the sum of the ages of Samatha and Mamata after 2 years? We required sum of the ages of Samatha and Mamata after 2 years. What is the first statement? After 5 years ratio. Second statement, the present age of the Mamata is 75% of present age of the Samatha. Means in second statement present ratio is given. First statement after 5 years ratio is given. Individually not possible. By using both the statements, yes or not? 75% means what is the fraction? 3/4 means present ratio 3:4. After 5 years ratio 5:4. Simplify those two ratios, we are get the individual values, sir. By using both the statements we are get the answer. Which option? Third one. Next question number 149. Find the value of T. We required which one? T. Statement 1. Rohit invested N rupees in a simple interest scheme at the rate of 12% per annum for how many years? T years. And Pant invested same amount in the same scheme at the rate of 18% per annum for T minus 1 year. And here already N is unknown value. Next, T also unknown. How many unknowns are there? Two unknowns. Two unknowns means we are not get the individual value of T or not. Then one alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. Or the second statement, Pant invested N rupees in a simple interest scheme at the rate of 20% per annum for how many years? T years. After T years he received the interest as half of the sum invested by him or not. Okay. 20% for T years means what is the interest value? 20% into T year of which one? N value. Interest is calculated on principal or what is the principal value? N. That interest equal to which one? Half of the sum invested means interest equal to N by 2 or N cancel. We are get the T value. 20% means what is the fraction? 1 by 5 means T equal to how much? 5 by 2 or 5 by 2. Then 2 alone is sufficient or not sufficient? Sufficient. But 1 alone is not sufficient. Then answer is only 2 alone. Next question number 150. What is the profit share of R? We required R profit or not? What is the first statement? P investment 6,000, Q investment 10,000. After 1 year, R joined with the investment of 12,000. There is no clarity about total time or not. In first statement, there is no clarity about total time and also total profit also unknown or not. What is the second statement? After 2 years from the start of the business, they divide the share. Total profit of the business is 11,000. Only 1 alone not sufficient. Only 2 alone not sufficient. By using both the statements, yes. Then answer both 1 and together. Next, caselet 141 to 145. There are a total of 2,400 students who have joined degree engineering college. In degree, some students are joined in arts and some are joined in science. Degree and engineering. In degree, some will be joined in arts, remaining are joined in science. Next, engineering, some are taken EEE, another one CSE. EEE and CSE. First, and total number of engineering students is 40% more than the which one? Degree students. Engineering students is 5 parts, degree students is 7 parts. Total how many parts? 12 parts. 12 parts is how much? 2,400. Then 7 parts 1,400. 5 parts is 1,000. Means entire degree is how many members? Sorry, reverse we are written. Engineering is more than the degree. Means degree 1,000 members, engineering 1,400 members. Okay. Next line. Students who were joined in CSE 20% more than the students who were joined in arts. CSE value compared to arts value, how much percent more? 20% more. Arts, suppose we are consider 5 parts, CSE 6 parts. Okay. In degree, out of 1,000, arts is 5 parts means remaining 1,000 minus 5 parts. Next, in engineering, out of 1,400, 6 parts is CSE means remaining 1,400 minus 6 parts. 1,400 minus 6 parts. What is the next line? Students who joined in EEE 300 more than the who admitted in science. EEE value compared to science value, how many members more? 300 more. Okay. Then we written 1,400 minus 6 parts equal to 1,300 minus 5 parts. 1,000 minus 5 parts plus 300. Already here 1,000 minus 5 parts. Compared to that one 300 more means 1,300 minus 5 parts. What is the difference? 1 part equal to how much? 100. Then 5 parts is 500. Remaining value also 500. Next, 6 parts is how much? 600. Remaining is 800. What is the first question? Number of students who were joined in science are what percentage of the students who are joined in arts? Who are joined in science? What are the science members? 500. Arts members also 500. Then answer 500 by 500 means what is the percentage? 100%. 142. If the ratio of the boys and girls in degree college is 3:2 and 30% of the girls who are joined in arts out of the total number of students who are joined in arts, find the number of girls who are joined in science. Total degree students is how much? 1000. In that boys and girls ratio 3:2. Total 5 parts. 5 parts is 1000 means 3 parts 600. 2 parts is 400 means total girls is how much? 400. 30% of the girls who are joined in arts out of the total number of students who are joined in arts. What are the arts total students? 500. In that 30% are girls. Okay. What are the total girls? 400. In that arts girls 150. What are the remaining? 250. The 250 are which one girls? Science girls. Then answer 250. Total girls is 400. In that 150 from arts, remaining 250 from science. Remaining question chestaru kada? 3 questions. Direct questions. Suppose 144 question. If 40% of the students fail in which one? EEE stream. 30% fail in CSC stream. Then find the total number of students who passed in both the streams. Fail value is given. Required pass value. EEE 800. 40% fail means remaining 80%. 80% means 60%. What is the 60% of 800? 480. 30% fail means remaining 70%. 70% means 420. Total 900. Next, I think 145 direct question. Next, again quadratic equation, number series, data sufficiency, caselet completed. Radar graph. (166). I think direct data, the radar graph, easy question. Solve the only one question, remaining question try cheyandi. CTA and CTB. The radar graph shows that the number of pilgrims visiting various temples from 2 different cities are. And here temple 1 CTA, how many members? 750. CTB is how much? 550. Okay. Temple 1 CTA. Temple 1 CTA is how many members? 750. CTB 550. Next, temple 2 CTA 500. CTB 800. Next, temple 3 CTA 700. CTB 850. Next, temple 4 CTA 350. CTB 450. Temple 5 CTA 200. CTB 400. Okay. What is the question here? Average number of pilgrims visiting all the temples from CTA. Means CTA all the values are adding 500 plus 200 700. 700 plus 700 1400 plus 750 plus 350 1100. 1100 plus 1400 2500. Average means divide by 5. What is the answer? 500. Direct questions anukunda all are in. Next arithmetic questions. What is the first one? 150 146 or 150, 161. Question number 161. Tap A and Tap B alone can fill a tank in 15 hours and 18 hours respectively. Tap C can empty the same tank in 30 hours. If all the three taps are open alternatively, starting with Tap A and ending with Tap C, then find in what time the tank will be filled completely or not. 15, 18, 30. What is the LCM? 90. A efficiency 6 parts, B efficiency 5 parts, C efficiency 3 parts. What is the total tank capacity? 90. Okay. Alternatively, start with A, end with C means every 3 hours, 6 plus 5 minus 3 means how many liters are filled? 8 liters. Every 3 hours 8 liters into 11 times how many hours? 33 hours. 8 11s how much? 88 liters. Out of 90, 88 liters are filled after 33 hours. After 33 hours, 88 liters are filled. What is the remaining? 2 liters. Next 1 hour, which one are start? A or B? A. What is the A capacity? 6 liters per hour. But we required how many liters? 2 liters. Then 2 liters means how much time are taken? 1/3 hour or total hour? 1/3. 6 liters in 1 hour, but we required 2 liters. Means how much time are taken? 1/3 or 1/4? 1/3. Total time is how much? 33. 1/3 hours. Which option? Third option. It is closer to 90. 88 means it is closer to 90. 88 liters are filled in 33 hours. Next 2 liters are filled in 1/3 hour. Total 33 1/3 hours. Next question number 162. Asha can do a work in 16 days. Disha is 20% less efficient than Asha. Disha efficiency compared to Asha 20% lesser. Suppose Asha efficiency 5 parts, Disha efficiency 4 parts. But Asha can complete the work in how many days? 16 days. 5 into 16, 80 means total work is 80. And they both started working together for 4 days. After that, Disha is increased its efficiency. Means first 4 days original efficiency. What are original efficiencies? 4 plus 5 into how many days are working? 4 days. Means 9 4 the 36 completed. Okay. What is the remaining work? 44. It is completed by Disha increased its efficiency by how much? 50%. Already Disha efficiency 4 parts. Increased 50% means 2. 4 plus 2, 6. Plus, what is the Asha efficiency? 5 parts. 6 plus 5, 11. 44 by 11 means again 4 days. Again 4 days. First of all, first 4 days Asha and Disha are working. Next 4 days also Asha and Disha are working. Simply we are say Asha is working for 8 days. Disha also working for 8 days. First Asha 8 days work. What is the Asha 1 day work? 5 parts. 4 days work 20. Next 4 days 4 5s are 20. Total how many parts is completed? 40. Asha completed 40 parts means Disha completed remaining 40 parts. Asha first 4 days are working, next 4 days are working. Means total how many days are Asha working? 8 days. Per day efficiency 5 parts. 8 5s are how much? 40. Asha completed 40 parts work means remaining 40 parts work is completed which one? Disha. Means work ratio is how much? 1:1 or 1:2? 1:1. After completion of the work they get a wage of how many rupees? 4,000. Find the received amount of Asha. Both are completed equal amount of work or different amount of work? Equal amount of, means both are received each one same share or different share? Same share. First one 2,000, second one also 2,000. What is the answer? 2,000. 163. 3 years ago alone age was 2 years more than the 4 times of the mark at that time. 3 years back alone age was 2 years more than the 4 times of the mark. One was mark, another one alone. Okay. Suppose mark value we are consider 1 part, A loan is 4 parts or not? 4 parts plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2. 3 years ago, a loan age was 2 years more than the 4 times of the age of Mark. Mark age 1 part, a loan age 4 times, compared to 4 times, how many years more? 2 years more. It was how many years back? 3 years back or not? What is the present value? 4 parts plus 5 and 1 part plus 3 or not? Okay, next 6 years hence a loan age will be 6 years more than the thrice the age of Mark at that time or not? Okay, 6 years hence means 4 parts plus 11 or not? 4 parts plus 11. 4 parts plus 11. Next will be 6 years more than the which one? Thrice of the age of Mark at that time. What is the Mark value? 1 part plus 3. After 6 years means 1 part plus 9 or not? Okay. After 6 years, a loan age will be 6 years more than the thrice of the Mark at the time or not? Means 4 parts 11 compared to 3 times of Mark age. What is the Mark age here? 1 part plus 9 or not? These two difference equal to how many years? 6 years or not? Okay. Left hand side 4 parts and 3 parts. Difference is 1 part. 3 nines are how much? 27. 11 minus 27 minus 16. Minus 16 becomes plus 16. 6 plus 16, 22 or not? 1 part is how much? 22. What is the question here? Average of both or not? Means present average or not? Present average means what are the present values? 4 parts plus 5 and 1 part plus 3. 4 plus 1, 5 parts. 5 plus 3, 8. Means 8 parts plus, 5 parts plus 8 by 200. What are the 5 parts value? 110 plus 8 means 118 by 2 means 59. Next question number 164. 3 years. Question number 164. Uday invested 2x rupees in scheme A, earning compound interest for 3 years at 15% per annum, and invested 0.3x in scheme B at 20% per annum for 5 years. In simple interest, the difference between the interest received by Uday from both the schemes is how much? 7147.5. Find the value of x. And here difference in interest is more or less? More or not? Means principal also more value or not? Means x also more or less? More. Which one is the more value? 10,000 or not? Difference in interest is more means principal also more value. Means x value also more value or not? Okay. What is the first one? 2x means how much? 20,000 or not? Second one 0.3x means it is 3,000 or not? Okay. Principal of first one 20,000. Principal of second one 3,000. What is the rate of percent in first one? 15% for how many years? 3 years. 15% for 3 years. First 15% of 20,000, 3,000. It is first year interest. Second year interest 3,000 plus 450 or not? Third year 3,000 plus 450 plus in 3,000 15% means 450. 450 15% means 67.5 or not? Means it is 450 plus 67.5 or not? First year, second year, third year interest. Third year interest means simple interest plus interest on first year plus interest on second year or not? Total it is how much? 9,000, 450, 450, 450, 1350. Total it is 10350 plus 67. 10350 plus 67.5. Total it is how much? 10417.5. It is first case interest or not? What is the second case principal? 3,000 or 4,000? 3,000. What is the rate of percent? 20% for how many years? 5 years. Means interest is how much? 100% or not? 100% of which one? 3,000. What is the 100% of 3,000? 3,000 or not? What What is the first case interest? 10,417.5. Second case interest 3,000. Difference is how much? 7,417.5. Same or different? Same. Means X must be 10,000. More interest difference means principal also more value. 165. Amaravati Express crosses a pole in 16.2 seconds and also crosses a 130 meters long tunnel in 24 seconds. Amaravati Express, first, when it is passes a pole means total distance are only train length. Only train length is covered in how many seconds? 16.2 seconds. And passes a tunnel means total distance train length plus tunnel length. What the tunnel length is given? 130. In how many seconds? 24 seconds. How much time are extra taken? 7.8. How much distance are extra covered? 130. Okay. 26 how many times? 0.3. 26 how many times? 5 times. Every 0.3 seconds how much distance are covered? 0.3 seconds how much distance is covered? 5 meters. Okay. Then speed equal to how much? 5 by 0.3. It is meter per second. Multiplied by 18 by 5. 5 get cancelled. 180 by 3. How much? 60. Okay. Again we required length of the train. 0.3 seconds how much distance? 5 meters. 16.2 seconds means R. 0.3 seconds how much distance? 5 meters. 0.3 and here 24. Almost 80 times. 80 times. 85 is how much? 400. That 400 equal to which one? Train length plus 130. Means tunnel train length equal to how much? 270. 270 meters or kilometers? Meters. And next one, Amaravati Express crosses a Janambhoomi Express which is running at the speed of 30 km per hour. Both the trains are running in opposite direction in 20 seconds. Find the length of the Janambhoomi road. Both the trains are moving in opposite direction means relative speed is sum of the speeds or difference of the speeds? Sum of the speeds. What the second one speed is given? 30. What the first one speed? 60. Then we return 60 plus 30 into 5 by 18. 30 into 5 by 18. Just 1 minute. What is the speed of the first one? Kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Second one speed also kilometer per hour. 60 plus 30. 90 into 5 by 18. It is converted to meter per second. Into how many seconds? 20 seconds. That is equal to train length, first train length plus second train length. What is the Amaravati length? 270 plus Janambhoomi length. 18 how many times? 5 times. 25 is 100 into 5 means 500. Out of 500 we are subtracting 270. What is the remaining? 230. Then Janambhoomi length is how much? 230. Next arithmetic questions, again 176. Shopkeeper sold a table at 40% discount and thus making a loss of how much? 10%. 40% discount means selling price is 60% of market price. 60% of market price. 10% loss means selling price is 90% of cost price. Then market price by cost price are in which ratio? 3:2. Means market price is 3 parts, cost price is 2 parts. What is the next line? And he gives a discount is equal to the half of the previous discount. Previous discount. What is the previous discount? 40%. Present discount? Half means 20%. 20% discount means selling price is 80% of market price. What is the market price here? 3 parts. 80% of 3 parts means that is selling price or cost price? Selling price. Again, he makes a profit of how many rupees? 60. 60 rupees profit means cost price is 2 parts, profit is 60. What is the left hand side? After discount selling price. What is the right hand side? After profit selling price. Okay. 80% of 3 parts means that is 2.4 parts. 2.4 parts. What is the difference between 2.4 parts and 2 parts? 0.4 parts. That is equal to how much? 60. But we required which one? At what price shopkeeper should sell the table to make a profit of 25%? Means first we need to identify cost price. 0.4 parts 60 means we required how many parts? 2 parts. How many times it is? 5 times. 5 times means 300. Means cost price is how much? 300. But we required selling price. 25% profit means what is the 25% of 300? 75. 300 plus 75. 375. I think if you know the only basic point, question are easier. Next question number 177. A started a business by investing 6,000 after 6 months. B and C joined business by investing 8,000 and 15,000 respectively. After another 3 months, A withdraw 2,000 at the end of the year. First, all the cases 3 zeros are common. First one invested 6 rupees for how many months? 9 months. First 6 months, next another 3 months. Total 9 months. Out of 6, 2 rupees withdraw. What is the remaining? 4. Used for remaining 3 months. Second one, 8 for how many months? 6 months. Third one, 15 for 6 months. All are in 6 multiples. 6, 6, 6. 6 here how many times? 2 times. 9 plus 2, 11, 8, 15. Total how many parts? 34 parts. 85,000 is distributed for how many parts? 34 parts. But we require difference between A and B shares. How many parts difference? 3 parts. 34 means 17 2 times 17 5 times. 5,000 into 3 15,000 divided by 2 7,500. Next 178. The total surface area of a cone is 25% of the total surface area of a cylinder. If the radius of the cylinder is 50% more than that of a cone. Radius of a cone and radius of a cylinder. Cone radius, suppose we are consider 4 parts. Radius of a cone we are consider 4 parts. Then radius of a cylinder is 6 parts. Yes or no? Next, height and radius of the cylinder are equal. Radius of a cylinder is 6 parts means height of the cylinder also 6 parts. Okay. What is the question here? Find the ratio of the slant height of the cone and height of the cylinder. Slant height of the cone. Slant height of the cone means what is the radius value? What is the radius of a cone? 4 parts. It is a right angle triangle. This portion is a right angle triangle. In that one side is 4 parts means this side is how many parts? 3 parts. This one must be 5 parts. Means slant height of a cone. Slant height of a cone is how much? 5 parts. Okay. What is the question here? Ratio between the slant height of the cone and height of the cylinder. What is the slant height of the cone? 5 parts. Radius of height of the cylinder 6 parts. What is the ratio? 5:6. Direct question. Next question number 179. A company has a job to prepare a certain number of toys. There are 3 machines PQR for this job. P can complete the job in 6 days. Q can complete the job in 8 days. R can complete the job in 12 days. How many days will the company take to complete the job if all the machines are used simultaneously? Means we know the individual time, but we require combination time. What is the LCM of 6, 8, 12? 24. 6 how many times? 4, 8, 3 times 12, 2 times 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2 means 9. 24 by 9 means 8 by 3. What the answer? 8 by 3 days. Next question number 180. A dishonest milkman dilutes milk with water and then sells the diluted milk at the price that is 25% more than the price at which he purchased the milk. If he makes a profit of 125% in this manner, how many milliliters of water does he added every liter of a milk? Okay. Suppose milk cost price per liter equal to 1 rupee. 1 rupee per liter. 1 rupee per liter. Okay. Water cost per liter is always 0. 0 rupees per liter. Okay. Next, sells the diluted milk at a price that is 25% more than the price which he purchased the milk. Means selling price of the mixture. Selling price of the mixture means milk plus water equal to 25% more than the price which he purchased the milk. Okay. What is the milk price? 1 rupee. 25% more means 1.25 rupees. 1.25 rupees. But he getting a profit is how much? 125%. 125% profit means selling price of the mixture is how much? 225%. Okay. If selling price of the cost price of the mixture we are consider 100%. Cost price of the mixture we are consider 100%. 125% profit means selling price of the mixture is 225%. In place of 225%, how many rupees is given? 1.25. Then we are get the 100%, that is cost price of the mixture. 25 how many times? 9. 25 how many times? 4. 4 into 1.25. 5 by 900 means question mark value is how much? 5 by 900. That is cost price of the mixture or selling price of the mixture? Cost price of the mixture. What is the milk per liter value? 1 rupee. Water per liter value 0. These two are mixing. We are get the mixture. What is the mixture per liter value? 5 by 900. And one more important point, 1 rupee is the cost price of the milk. 0 is the cost price of a water. 5 by 9 also cost price of the mixture of milk and water. What is the difference between 1 and 5 by 9? 5 by 9. What is the difference between 5 by 9? Sorry, 4 by 9. What is the difference between 5 by 9 and 0? 5 by 9. What is the ratio? 5:4. Okay. Milk, how many parts are? 5 parts. Water, 4 parts. Every 5 parts of milk, how many parts of water is added? 4 parts. 5 parts means how many liters? 1 liter. 1 liter means how many ml? 1000 ml. Then 4 parts is how much? 800 ml. What is the question here? How many ml of water does he added to every liter of a milk? Means milk, if it is 1 liter, 1 liter means how many ml? 1000 ml. Every 5 parts of milk, how many parts of water is added? 4 parts. If milk is 1000 ml, water is how much? 800 ml. What is the answer? 800 ml. Then answer none. Next, line plus bar graph. 171. The line graph given below shows the total number of problems received by 4 network companies in thousands, and the bar graph shows the percentage of unresolved problems out of the total problems resolved in by respect to network companies. Read the data and answer the questions. First, total number of problems received. P, Q, R, S, 4 companies are problems received. Total problems received. First one is how much? 80 means 8000 or 800. It is multiplied by 100. 80 into 100. 8000. In Q, every line is 2 or not? What is the value? 6,400. 6,400. R 48. 4,800. Yes. 66. 6,600. Out of the total received problems, in second diagram, percentage of unresolved problems are noted. Okay. One will be solved problems, another one unsolved problems. Okay. First, in P, what is the unresolved percentage? 20%. 20% means 1,600. Means remaining 6,400. In Q, 15% is resolved. What is the 15%? 640 plus 320. 960. What are remaining? 5,740. 6,400 minus 960. 560 extra means that is, what is that? 524 960 5440 5,440. Next, in R, 10%. 10% means 480. Remaining 4320. Next, 6,600. 30%. 30% means 1980. Remaining 70%. 70% means 4,200 plus 420. 4620. 4620. What is the first question? Find the total number of resolved problems of P and R together. P and R resolved problems. What are the P resolved problems? Resolved 6,400. R 4320. Both are adding 10,720. Chestara remaining questions. సార్ వచ్చారా? In question number 151, the number of students in class X is how much? 360 or 100. X how much percent? 24%. 24% equal to how much? 360. 24% 360 means every 1% equal to 15 and 1% equal to 15. Then we are get the individual class strength and in that class strength, each one class, boys and girls are only boys and girls. Every class percentage of fail students 20% and out of the total students 20% fail means remaining 80% pass and okay. Next 156 table ఒకసారి చూడండి. The table shows the sum of the total sales revenue per unit and variable cost per unit of items manufactured by company in 5 different months. It also shows the total fixed cost in thousands of the items. Total sales revenue plus variable cost and another one fixed cost. What is the next line? Break-even points such can be described as a point where there is no net profit or loss. Formula to calculate break-even point is given below. Break-even point units equal to which one? Fixed cost by contribution margin. But contribution margin equal to which one? Total sales revenue minus variable cost. Suppose question taken 159 question. What is the 159 question? The variable cost of the items in July is how much? 15. In July, what is the total sales and revenue variable cost? 4500. In that 15 is which one? Variable cost. Means sales revenue is how much? 30. Variable cost already 1500. Next, break-even points. Break-even points is given how much? 1250. What is the question here? What will be the fixed cost of the items in that month? First, contribution margin nothing but total sales revenue minus variable cost అన్నాడు. Means contribution margin equal to 30 minus 15 అన్నాడు. Okay, and one more, break even points equal to fixed cost by which one? Contribution margin. What is the fixed cost? We don't know, but even break even point 1250 అన్నాడు. 1250 equal to which one? Fixed cost by contribution margin అన్నాడు. What is the contribution margin? 15 అన్నాడు. Then 1250 into 15. 1250 into 15, that is equal to which one? Fixed cost అన్నాడు. What is the answer? 15 into 1000, 15,000. 15 into 200, 3000. 15 into 15, 750. 18,750 అన్నాడు. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ బేస్ చేసుకొని రిమైనింగ్ క్వశ్చన్ చేయొచ్చు. క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది అనుకుంటా డేటాలో. ఇఫ్ ఏ రిక్వైర్డ్ వేరియబుల్ సేల్స్ రెవెన్యూ మీన్స్ 45 is sales revenue plus variable cost. In that variable cost is given. Difference is common margin అన్నాడు. Contribution margin. Again we required fixed cost means we return contribution and base break even points అన్నాడు. ఓకే, రిమైనింగ్ క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తారా?